Question number 1. Who was elected as the 15th Vice President of India in September 2025? Answer is A. C.P. Radhakrishnan. Question 2. Which state received a UNESCO tag for its cold desert biosphere reserve in September 2025? Answer is B. Himachal Pradesh. Question number 3. Who won the 17th Asia Cup Cricket Tournament in 2025? Answer is B. India. Question number 4. What major telecom network did PM Modi inaugurate in Odisha in September 2025? Answer is B. BSNL indigenous 4G network. Question number 5. What is the approximate amount of projects inaugurated in Jharsuguda, Odisha by PM Modi? Answer is C. 60,000 crores. Question number 6. Which city hosted the 12th World Para Athletics Championships 2025? Answer is B. New Delhi. Question number 7. Which ministry released the Children in India 2025 report? Answer is C. Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Question number 8. Which company's deputy governor was appointed Shirish Chandra Murmu in September 2025? Answer is B. RBI. Question number 9. Which Indian state won the 2025 Khelo India Youth Games title for the third consecutive time? Answer is C. Maharashtra. Question number 10. Which two countries signed MOU for new railway projects in September 2025? Answer is C. India and Bhutan. Question number 11. Who became the maintenance head of the Indian Air Force in September 2025? Answer is B. Air Marshal Sanjeev Goratia. Question number 12. What is the reported growth percentage of India's index of industrial production in August 2025? Answer is C. 4%. Question number 13. What major international cricket event started in India and Pakistan for September 30, 2025? Answer is B. ICC Women's World Cup. Question number 14. Which Indian badminton player won the 2025 US Open Super 300 title? Answer is C. Ayush Shetty. Question number 15. Which country joined India's Unified Payments Interface Network in September 2025? Answer is B. Qatar. Question number 16. What major flood affected Punjab in September 2025, submerging villages? Answer is C, 1900 villages. Question number 17. Which country's Prime Minister resigned amid youth protest in September 2025? Answer is B, Nepal. Question number 18. In September 2025, who was conferred the Dada Sahab Phalke Award? Answer is B, Mohan Lal. Question number 19. What is the theme of National Nutrition Week 2025 observed in September? Answer is B, Eat Right for Better Life. Question number 20. When was the 56th GST Council meeting held announcing major reforms? Answer is A, 3-4 September 2025. Question number 21. What is the revised GST rate on small petrol, diesel cars and motorcycles up to 350cc as per 2025 reforms? Answer is C, 18%. Question number 22. Where did PM Narendra Modi inaugurate Semicon India 2025? Answer is B, Yashobhoomi, New Delhi. Question number 23. Harmeet Kaur led the India's women team in the 2025 World Cup champion starting against which country? Answer is B, Sri Lanka. Question number 24. How many e-scholars did India announce for Afghan students for academic year 2025-26? Answer is C, 1000. Question number 25. What was Morgan Stanley revised GDP growth forecast for India in fiscal year 2025-26? Answer is B, 6.7%. Question number 26. Which IAS officer was appointed as FSSAI CEO in September 2025? Answer is B, Aruna Sharma. Question number 27. Which state hosted the first ever Khelo India Youth Games in 2025? Answer is B, Bihar. Question number 28. Who won the gold medal in the mixed compound team event at the 2025 Summer World Universiade? Answer is A, Kushal Dalal and Parneet Kaur. Question number 29. Which festival saw the creation of the largest Bhattukamma floral installation in India? Answer is B, Bhattukamma festival. Question number 30. What was the India's HSBC services PMI index level in August 2025, a 15-year high? Answer is C, 62.9. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.